What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So this video is kind of going over the Premiere video I had earlier. So these are some things you need to know while fixing your credit if you are to decide to sue the credit bureaus or the creditors as well. So generally, you need to dispute directly with the credit bureaus. I hardly ever send letters to the creditors. Hardly ever send letters to the creditors. It just, it works. It's just a totally different process. But anyway, to trigger a Section 1681I claim against a credit bureau, you must send a dispute directly to the credit bureau. There you go. It needs to go to the credit bureau. So it needs to go to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. To trigger a Section 1681S2B claim against a furnisher, you must dispute directly with the credit bureaus. Again, not the furnisher, not the creditor, the CRA. What proof should you include with your letters? Sorry, I skipped something. That was the top left. Kind of messed up. Number 2 is going to be the bottom half. Think of whatever proof would help get the error fixed. That same proof will be devastating against the defendant when you sue after they refuse to fix an error. If you paid off the debt, can you send proof? Of course you can. If there was a lawsuit and the case was dismissed with prejudice, can you enclose the lawsuit and the dismissal order? Again, of course you can. Authorized user and you were removed. Is there an email you can include? If you have the email, of course. Any kind of documentation you can put in these letters isn't going to do anything but help you in the long run. If included in a bankruptcy, how about the lists of debts included and the discharge order? Of course you can put that in there. If the foreclosure was undone, rescinded, voided, etc., can you enclose that? Yes. I know the answer to all these are going to be yes. Go ahead and tell you that. Letter from a creditor saying you don't owe money. What about including it? Yes. The more documentation, the better, especially if you plan on suing the credit bureaus. Final thoughts on dispute letters. And before anybody in the comments say, I thought you didn't dispute anything, I thought you challenged. Well, in the credit bureau's eyes, no matter what you send, it is considered a dispute. They don't have anything on their end that says you are challenging anything. Excuse me. Must be able to prove it was received by the credit bureaus. This is a big one because y'all know I don't usually send certified, but you do need to do that if you plan on suing them. Or online screen capture proving that you sent it certified, or first class. Fax with a confirmation number. Keep a full copy of exactly what you sent, either a physical copy or a digital copy like a PDF, Word document. Make your letters clear as to what you are disputing and why you are disputing it. What is the error? Can also include why you need this fixed. Trying to buy a house, security clearance, etc. So, y'all know I like to keep my videos short and sweet. If you have any questions about this video, just send me a text message or an email. I will leave that information in the description of the video. This will be the second video I've done like this. If y'all like this video, please let me know in the comments, because if nobody wants to see this stuff, I'm not going to take the time to make these videos because they are very time consuming. Even if I only make a 5 or 10 minute video, it takes a while to look all this stuff up, write it all down for y'all, make the video, upload the video, and then watch the video with y'all via a Premiere. So it is Sunday afternoon. This video will not premiere until Monday at 8:30 p.m. I'm going to do it at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That way I can go live from 8 to 8:15. Go in, get a shower, and be ready for the premiere to watch it with y'all. But again, if you please will, just let me know if you like these types of videos versus the other videos I normally do. Obviously, I don't want to stop doing those videos, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out exactly what type of videos you are really interested in seeing. I know everybody's not going to be interested in the same stuff, and that's fine, but I personally really like this stuff because I don't know anybody else on YouTube who's breaking it down to this extent. So sorry I don't have fancy looking videos. I don't have somebody to edit my videos and make them look all flashy like a lot of these other people. I just don't have the time. I don't have the money to do that. But I am here to give you as much information as I can. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a text message or an email. I will put that information in the description of the video. I hope y'all have a great night.